G'day team. A friend has asked me to take a few millimetres off this beautiful old plantation shutter. So that's the perfect opportunity to test out the new One Plus planer from RYOBI. The cutting width of the new planer is 82 millimetres and it comes with a micro depth adjustment right up to 1.6 millimetres. Hey, I love this though. The P is for protect, and that tucks the blades up under the bed and keeps them safe from damage. Now it comes with a guide and left and right dust ejection. Now that can be into your workshop vacuum cleaner or the bag supplied. Always remember, when you're planing, start off with a low setting. Don't take on too much too quick. And imagine that your job is longer than it is. That way you won't round off the end. The little kickstand protects the blades if you put it down while they're still spinning. Now I reckon that's a nice little tool. If you want more information on this one or any of the tools in the RYOBI range, check out our website. Remember, be safe and have fun DIYing.
RYOBI, a cut above.